up.
Hello, Mr. Moose. Wait, is it a female or a male?
There's cars, Carmen.
Oh, sorry. I think it's a female. It doesn't have any. Is it looking at us?
No.
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah, now it is.
Looking straight at us. Okay, so maybe we won't go get the male.
Well, he's only right there. If we were going to get the mail, we'd have to go and get it now, because he's down in here.
Move your hand.
Sorry.
Can you hear that wind? Hey, hi, hello, it's me, Carmen, and I'm in Onion in Alaska, and today we're heading towards GlenAllen, and we picked a pretty windy, wet, rainy, believe it or not, warm day to head there, which is why this is rain and not snow, and you guys get to come along. Yeah, I'm gonna go get back in the car. I don't know if you can see it properly. Oh, that's pretty. Come on, thing, clear up.
Good, I gotta go.
So we've made it as far as Sutton. We'll see how much further we go. You see the frozen? Some parts of the water are thawed. Of course they are because of how warm it's been. I'm not saying anything. We are up super, super high. And there are no fences, no guardrails along this road. Please stay in our lane.
I don't want to fall off the side.
Well, I don't want to hit oncoming
I'm
vehicles.
To fall off the side before I hit anything.
Oh my lord.
Just... Like, won't leave now.
It's a high cliff. I wish these trees were a little more sparse. Haha! I can see down! Down I can see!
You're about to see a whole lot more.
Oh, the trees, the trees.
You're
going too slow.
Oh, I'm going too slow.
I'm not saying you have to do that.
Because there's too bad.
Oh my word.
I'm gonna hit somebody on the other side.
Woohoo! We have signal again. I know we have signal because I just heard your phone buzz.
I just
Back to Kings River. You probably did. Mommy, good. Are you good? Shush. Good.
Ready?
Yes.
Anyway, guys, I think we've driven far enough. And we've driven up to where it's no longer raining and snowing. So I'm an Onion in Alaska. Be sure to press that like and subscribe button down below and see what we're up to every week.